So guys, I was asked a question earlier today, and the question was, why buy Nugsmasher? And I thought that everybody could really benefit for the answer that I gave. And really the true reason that somebody would buy a Nugsmasher is to make the best solventless concentrates out of cannabis or CBD product, or chili peppers for that matter. The machine wasn't built for that, but that's why somebody would buy a Nugsmasher. Why would you buy a Nugsmasher over something else once you've decided that's what you want to do? Because Nugsmasher, we have a complete methodology that gives you a consistency with your extractions, which are, we have a specific bag sizes so you know how much of your material you want to put in, and then those bag sizes specifically tell you or relate to how much pressure needs to be applied to the bag, the surface area of the bag, our bags in the machines, to give you a consistent, exact extraction each and every time. That's really the secret to Nugsmasher, why we got over 100,000 machines out there being used daily. Also coupled with our lifetime warranty. All of our products have a complete lifetime warranty. But then if you have any questions, concerns, or anything, you can get a hold of our customer service staff that is at the Nugsmasher factory, which happens to be an old Kmart in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. You can get a hold of that customer service staff 7 days a week. They're here from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. You can ask them any questions you want to. You can get a hold of them via phone, over the email, chat at nugsmasher.com. They answer that. But they can help direct you in the right direction if you need help making your purchase, or if you need help after the purchase, understanding some tutorials about, you're doing hash extractions or you're doing isolations or whatever that is that suits your needs. They're there, they're experts, they can help you with any of those things. So that's in a nutshell how I would answer. And not to mention, one thing, a very important thing that I left out is all of our parts, accessories, designs, even stickers on the machines, that and labeling, that sort of thing, is made right here at the Nugsmasher factory in the USA by our people that support their families doing it. So we appreciate all your support, and if I haven't given you enough reasons to buy a Nugsmasher, please check in with our customer service staff. And there's one thing I did leave out, now that I'm thinking about it, is our upgrade program. Since the inception of Nugsmasher, we've had an amazing upgrade program. We really are in it for our customers to be able to grow in this experience, and as our customers need the next level of machine or the next level of something, they're able to recapture what they paid, or 80% of what they paid on their trade-in value. So if you bought a Nugsmasher OG or a Mini today and you're thinking about an XP or a Touch in the future, but it's just a far reach financially for you, we do offer an 80% trade-in value towards an upgrade. So it's a great program for all of our customers. There's many other programs that we have and things that we do for our customers and our products. But once again, that's how I would answer, or how I answered the question. I thought everybody out here could benefit from it. And like I said, all of these products and accessories are made right here at the Nugsmasher factory. So go to nugsmasher.com. Any of our authorized dealers out there, you can Google Nugsmasher and get the big authorized dealers that sell Nugsmasher. Go to Amazon if you need to do that, but get yourself one and start experiencing solventless concentrates today. It'll change your life.